Hello students, here is the question. In order to prepare a buffer solution of pH 5.74, sodium acetate is added to acetic acid. If the concentration of acetic acid in the buffer is 1 molar, the concentration of sodium acetate in the buffer is, the pKa for acetic acid is 4.74. So this is a fairly simple question because it is just an application of this formula over here, that is pH is equals to pKa for the acetic acid, plus log of the concentration of the salt, which is sodium acetate in this case, upon the concentration of the acid, which is acetic acid, and acetic acid concentration is given to us, which is 1 molar. Correct? So using this formula, we have pH, that is over here, is pKa acetic acid plus log of sodium acetate concentration upon acetic acid concentration. So using this, we have the ratio of sodium acetate to acetic acid is 10 molar, and sodium acetate or is 10, and acetic acid concentration is 1 molar. So if we multiply it to the right hand side, we get this concentration of sodium acetate to be 10 molar. Thank you.